Ever feel like your solar business is invisible, no matter how much you spend on ads? You're not alone. Many solar companies really struggle to stand out, and worse, to actually turn interest into signed contracts. So in this video, you'll discover how email marketing can attract the right homeowners, nurture their trust, and boost your installations without relying on cold calls or chasing leads that go absolutely nowhere. You've probably shared a customer success story or a promotion on Facebook or LinkedIn. But what happens if the algorithm tanks your post? As a solar company, your most valuable asset isn't just your tech, it's your customer base. And here's the problem with that. If your only connection to those customers is through social media or ads, you're playing on borrowed ground. One change in the algorithm or an ad policy and your reach can vanish overnight. That's why email marketing matters. It's direct, reliable, and completely within your control. Emails don't get buried by platforms, they land straight in your customers' inboxes. And here's the kicker. Engagement rates on email, so opens, clicks, and sales, are often way higher than social media anyway. So if you want to promote new solar incentives, share educational content, follow up with leads, or build long-term trust, email isn't just nice to have, it's a must. Now, the good news, you don't need to be a marketing expert to get started. All you need are a few simple tools, so let's cover those here next. First things first, you need an email marketing platform. Now, I've worked in digital marketing for over a decade, and I've tested just about every tool out there. So MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, ConvertKit, you name it. But the one that I keep coming back to, the one that I recommend for solar businesses specifically, is Brevo. It's clean, powerful, and super beginner friendly. Whether you're sending out appointment reminders, educational series, or sales follow-ups, Brevo has you covered. And it won't burn through your budget either. If you want to try it out, good news there. You can do so absolutely for free by clicking right up here and signing up or checking for a link in the description below. And to help you out, I also created a full review/tutorial that I'll link to in the description to make using it as easy as possible. And once you've got Brevo, the next step is making it easy for people to sign up. That could be a simple form on your website, a pop-up, or a standalone landing page that you link to from your ads or blog posts. And here's the trick. Give people a real reason to join. A generic, subscribe to our newsletter, that just won't cut it. Now we'll cover this a little bit more in the next section here. Now, if email marketing feels overwhelming and you're not really sure where to start, I've got something to make it easier. It's called the Solar Company Email Marketing Starter Kit, and you'll find the link to that in the description below. Inside, you'll get templates, checklists, and everything that you need to get started quickly without wasting time figuring it all out from scratch. And once you have all that figured out, it's time to figure out how to get more people on your list. So let's talk about building your list the right way. So the fastest way to grow is to offer value first. So instead of asking people to sign up for updates, offer something that they actually want. So a solar panel, buyer's guide, a free quote for consultation, a checklist for qualifying for solar tax credits, a case study showing real savings from past customers, or even an explainer on how much money they're leaving on the table by not switching. You put that offer on a clean landing page and link to it everywhere, your homepage, blog, social bios, or in paid ads. You can even use a QR code on your truck or flyers to make signups effortless. And if you're running events or trade shows, just say, want to see how much solar could save you? Well, scan here for a free quote. We'll email the breakdown to you, right? It's that easy. People don't mind giving their email as long as they're getting something genuinely helpful in return. Now, once someone's on your list, the follow-up matters. And this is where a lot of solar companies drop the ball. They only email when they're trying to close a sale. But if every email is just, schedule your install now, you'll get ignored. Instead, focus on building trust. Share real value and insights before you ever sell. So here are some examples of what you could send, right? So an educational content. Break down how solar works, ROI, timelines, or grid independence. Customer stories. So share before and after results from recent installs. Rebate and tax credit alerts, so let them know when deadlines are coming up. Behind the scenes info, so give a tour of an install and introduce your team. Also FAQs, so answer common concerns about solar myths, cost, or reliability. Then maintenance tips, so help current customers get more out of their system as well. And then promotions, so offer limited time discounts or referral rewards. And then local news, so share how solar impacts your community or state level updates. Even better, turn it into a mini-series. So for example, you could do a 3-part email campaign on how to go solar in 30 days, walking subscribers through the entire process from quote to install. Bottom line, make your emails feel like a helpful neighbor, not a pushy salesperson. That's how you turn leads into long-term customers. But how often should you send emails? Well, great question. And the answer is, it depends on what you can realistically maintain. If you only send an email every time that you're desperate for leads, your list will forget who you are. But if you show up consistently, they'll start to expect your emails and actually look forward to them. Now, the sweet spot for most solar companies, it's about 1 to 2 emails per month. That's enough to kind of stay top of mind without overwhelming your audience. And if you've got, something time sensitive, like a rebate deadline or a seasonal promo, you can increase the frequency temporarily. The key isn't volume, it's rhythm. Show up regularly, even with short updates or value pack tips, and people will stick with you. And you don't need to be a copywriting ninja to make your emails work either. You just need to follow some simple rules. So first, subject lines matter. Your subject line is the gateway. If it doesn't spark curiosity, nobody opens the email. So some examples, you might be overpaying for electricity. Here's why. Or tax credit deadline approaching. Are you eligible? Or this customer cut their bill by 60% in 6 months. Number 2, write like a real person. So no corporate speak. Be friendly, clear, and conversational, like you're writing to a neighbor. Number 3, keep it simple. So short paragraphs, bullet points, clear visuals, and one main takeaway per email. And then 4th, include one call to action. So whether it's, get your free savings report or book a consultation, make the next step obvious. And that's really it. Just keep it clean, keep it helpful, and you'll start seeing more opens, clicks, and conversions. So once you've sent a few campaigns, how do you know that it's actually working? Well, there are just a few key metrics that you're going to watch. So open rate. How many people are opening your emails? Usually 20 to 30% is a solid average. And then click-through rate, or CTR. So how many people are clicking your links in the email? So you want to aim for 2 to 5%. And finally, unsubscribes. Now, a few here and there is normal. It means your list is actually getting healthier. But if open rates are low, tweak your subject lines. If click-through rates are low, clarify your call to action. And over time, these numbers will guide you toward what your audience really wants to hear about. So to be clear, you don't need a full marketing team to grow your solar business. You just need the right system and the discipline to stick with it. Now, you've seen why email marketing matters, how to get started, what to send, and how to improve over time. But none of that works unless you take action. So here's your next steps. So first, click right up here to sign up for Brevo. Then use it to create a simple landing page with an irresistible offer. Something like, a free savings estimate or a solar tax credit guide. Share that link everywhere on your website, in your ads, social media, or even print it on flyers that you give out in person. That one step could be the beginning of a customer pipeline that you fully own. And if you want to speed things up, again, check out the Solar Company Starter Kit linked to below. It'll walk you through every step of the way. When you control your audience, you control your growth. So start now and build something sustainable. And as always, if you have any questions, let me know below, and I'll see you in the next video.